Hi everybody, it's Marie. Okay, you can laugh when the end of the video, you can laugh in the beginning, you can laugh during the middle. But I'm going to attempt to ride my new folding bike. I didn't tell you guys this before, but when I was in South Dakota, I was in the Black Hills National Forest. Well, you knew that. But I decided to ride my bike there, number one, because nobody was around, and because, except the deer. And number two, because it was grass, okay? Now, I've had 4 motorcycles in my life, never fell, everything was cool. I got on this bike, I gouged the heck out of my shin because I fell. All right, it hurt, and I haven't gotten on since. I lost my balance. How can that happen? I think it's because you start out slow on a bicycle, whereas with on a motorcycle, you know, you kind of go a little fast and it helps your balance. So I'm going to take a ride on a Buffalo Grove bike trail and we'll see where this takes me. Okay, hang on, okay? Okay, gotta get on. It's kind of the basics. And I'm gonna coast down a driveway. So far, whoa. Oh my gosh. That's the brake. Heavily applied, might I add. All right, so far so good. You know, they say, oh, once you learn how to ride a bike, you never forget. Well, I didn't forget how to ride it. I just can't, okay? Just can't. The steering is like really jerky to me. It's not a smooth operation. So far, so good. But I feel sorry for anybody coming toward me, even though they're going to be on their right lane, because it's just not going to look pretty, I'm sure. Okay, good attitude, Marie. So far, so good. I think it's just luck and all the praying I did before I got on. Okay, I'm going to stop the video for now. I made it from the house to the beginning of the path so far with no incidents. Big question, do I go left or right? I have no idea. I mean, left or straight. I have a feeling this is not the way I want to go. Okay, I gotta turn around. I could turn my RV around a lot easier, I think, than I can turn this bicycle around. All right, let's try. Okay. All right, let's try. Okay, so far, so good. Good thing it doesn't say keep off the grass, because that ain't happening. Okay. All right, here we go. Whee! Oh my gosh. I even got a squishy cover for the seat, because the seat that came with it, you know, would have caused me bodily damage, I'm sure. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, when was the last time I was on a bicycle? You know? I don't know. 25 years ago, maybe? I don't know, it's a guess. A guess. This is nice. This is so nice. And it's exercise at the same time. Whee! Okay, I'm going to admit, I already feel overworked. But you know, I'm 71. I haven't ridden a bike. There's no excuse for me not to do this every single day of my life. Very nice. Okay, there's a pavilion up there. I hope they sell Bud Light, cold Bud Light, because I'm ready. And I don't even drink beer. I'm gonna make that my stopping point. I'll rest for a couple hours, minutes, and then I'm gonna turn around. and go back. And I'm going to surprise my girlfriend from grammar school where I'm staying on her driveway in my RV. And I'm going to do her yard work because she's not home. And she told me not to. But I didn't listen to my own mother. Why should I listen to her, right? And I've got everything ready. I know where the lawnmower is. I have my own pruners, garden gloves, everything. This is so nice. I'm warning you, I haven't been on a bike for 25 years. Look out. Hello.
Did you say something there? I'm sorry. I didn't catch it.
I said I haven't been on a bike for 25 years. I'm warning you, look out. Oh my gosh, thank you. Okay, folks. This is it. Oh my gosh, that was great. All right. I'm approaching base camp. And I made it. I don't know how far it was. Maybe a mile? I don't know. Hard to tell. I'm going to get an odometer. Base camp. Let's see if I can go up the driveway without crashing into my RV or my van. And I'll even stay on the drive. Woohoo! Whoa. Success. Oh my gosh. I did it.